guys, this is my Labrador and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video guys, I know that you have an idea what is this video is all about. Because the title of my video, how to do waterfall hair braid. So ito na po yung ginawa nating waterfall guys. Kung gusto nyo po itong matutunan kung paano siya gawin, panoorin nyo po ang video kung paano ko ito ginawa. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button, and also you can follow me on my Instagram. I will show you my Instagram account and you can follow me there guys. This is the easy way how to do a waterfall hair braid guys. Ang bilis lang ng paraan ng ginawa natin, nakikita natin dyan. Ito yung kung may mga anak kayo, mahaba yung buhok nyo, kung hilig kayong mag-braid ng buhok nyo, timing yung pagpunta nyo sa channel ko. Kasi tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magpaganda ng buhok at mag-hairstyle. Kasi it will depend on you if you want to put it in the center, if you like, but I like it in the side. So what we're going to do first is take a small amount of hair like that, and we're going to divide it into 3. So first, let's go for a normal braid like that. 1, 2. So we're going to leave this one guy here. So this is a really simple braid guys, twist. So from this side, we're going to take small amount from the top. Then, going to cross this inside. So, nasa loob na siya. Nakita nyo? Then, itong nagdera, this 2 strand hair, we're going to, like that, we're going to twist it. And we take another strand here on the side and put this in the middle. And you see guys, let's going to twist this strands again. Not so tight. Then, let's go to take another strand and put it in the middle. See? Makikita nyo? Separation, di ba? 1. Nakailan na tayo? 2, 3, 4. So, next step, we're going to twist it again. And take a small section here. And put that in the middle. So, twist na. Then, we're going to take another strand here and put that in the middle. So, we're going to see, it will depend on you how long you like it. So, this is the last part guys. This is the last part. I'm going to put this in the middle and twist it again. So, then what we're going to do here in the last part, I'm just going to tie it, or if you have bobby pin, you can have bobby pin. So I'm just going to close it from this top. I'm going to take another strand, small strands, to make it 3. So I can close it like that. Or if you have some bobby pin or small, I don't have another plastic band, so I'm gonna use this side, and this is going to close this end here. Just close. So just make it a little bit tight. Then we can cover here from here. So here we go guys. Para makita lang natin yung waterfalls, i-twist ko lang to konti yung buhok natin dito. Gamit ang iron.
Me and you girl, you and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy, because me not play no hide and seek. What is the thing you ever make me feel way, girl? Free. Anytime you whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it for repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, 'cause nothing in this world ain't more than what you worth.
I don't need no other.
You worth more than diamond, more than gold.
Aunque I can feel the beat.
wala lang. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, siyempre, twist lang natin dito ng konti para magmukha naman siyang kakaiba. Oh, yun lang. So, ganun po tayo kaganda ngayon, guys. So, yan lang. Ang ganda, diba? Pwede natin siyang itago. Pag ano, may isi-secured lang natin siya ng bobby pin. Diba? Hairpin ang tawag sa atin. Isi-secured lang natin siya para hindi makalabas yung tali. So, isipalit ko siya para makita natin yung itsura.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl.
So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can leave down comment below if you want to see another hairstyle. I will make it for you guys kung anong klase ng hairstyle. And you can also check out my previous hairstyle, how to do French braid and basic braid of the hairstyle. Yung mga basic lang. So, ganito tayo kaganda. Sabi nila, thank you guys. Thank you for all the support. Subscribe for more video. And that's all for today. Bye-bye.